pessoas do YouTube. Eu tô aqui de volta e hoje eu vou estar trazendo a parte 8 de Assassin's Creed. Então vamos para onde nós devemos ir. Bem. Aí, vocês não vão falar nada? Eu vou achar meu áudio já. Vamos ouvir a conversa desses dois aí.
All that noise. Someone needs to get up on those things and clear them out. I wonder how they're getting up there. Must be through this central courtyard. Then we should ask the guard to have a look. They're all much too busy polishing the backside of their master.
Beleza, agora vamos à casa dos assassinos. Vai pra ele, tá morto. Estamos chegando. Vamos falar com ele. Esqueci.
Altair, welcome, welcome. I've done what you asked. Now give me the marker. First things first. Tell me what you know. Tell me your rules over the Souk El Salah.
He makes his fortune selling arms and armor and is supported by many in his endeavor. Blacksmiths, traders, financiers. He's the largest debt dealer in the land.
And have you devised a way to rid us of this blight?
A meeting is being arranged at Souk El Salah to discuss an important sale. They say it's the largest deal Tamir has ever made. He'll be distracted with his work. That's when I'll strike.
Your plan seems solid enough. I give you leave to go.
Vamos lá matar.
Let one end will be done. You may rest here until you are ready.
Nosso alvo está pronto para morrer. Quando chegar perto do alvo, eu volto, gente. Voltei, galera, e nosso alvo está ali.
Neither. What I see says otherwise. Now, tell me, what do you intend to do to solve this problem about? These weapons are needed now. I see no solution. The men work day and night, but sure, flying requires so much, and the destination is a difficult route. Were it that you could produce weapons with the same skill as you produce explosives? I have done all I can. It is not enough. Then perhaps you ask too much. Too much.
Pessoas do YouTube. Hoje eu tô aqui trazendo a parte 8, a continuação, né, gente? Nossa, que merda. Então vamos lá.
What do you intend to do to solve this problem about? These weapons are needed now. I see no solution. The men work day and night, but sure, flying requires so much, and the destination, it is a difficult route. Were it that you could produce weapons with the same skill as you produce explosives? I have done all I can. It is not enough. Then perhaps you ask too much. Too much. I gave you everything. Love you. In return, will you fill the orders I bring you? And you say I ask too much? You dare disrespect me? Please, Samir, I meant no insult. Then you should have kept your mouth shut. No, stop! Stop? I'm just getting started. No! Stop! You came into my souk, stood before my men, and dared to insult me!
Cara doida.
No. Leave the box.
Ela me deu sangue, galera.
Let this be a lesson.
Ela me deu cachorro.
Think it twice before you tell me something cannot be done. Now get back to work.
Esse é o Tamir, tá, gente?
Be at peace. You'll pay for this.
Matamos.
You and all your kind.
It seems you're the one big now, my friend. You'll not profit from suffering any longer.
You think me some petty death deal, suckling at the breast of war? A strange target, don't you think? Why did when so many others do the same?
You believe yourself different then.
Oh, but I am. But I serve a far nobler cause than mere profit. Just like my brothers.
Brothers?
But he thinks I act alone. I am but a piece. A man with a part to play. You'll come to know the others soon enough. They won't take kindly to what you've done.
Good. I look forward to ending their lives as well.
Hard. It will destroy your child.
Morreu. Ele morreu. Tá fugindo. E conseguimos fugir, mas eles estão atrás da gente. Então vamos pra casa.
Word has reached me of your victory, Altair. You have my gratitude and my respect. Thank you.
Então, galera, eu vou ficar por aqui. Se vocês gostaram, deixa o seu like aí e até a próxima.